In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use your American Airlines Miles. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do this process through the American Airlines website at aa.com. When you arrive at this page, all you have to do is select the A Advantage at the top or A Vantage over here, and then select Redeem Miles. You can also log in if you wish, but you don't have to in order to access this page. Over here, you will see all the options where you can redeem your miles inside of the American Airlines website. Most of the time, you will want to use it for flights, but you do have some other options as you can see over here. Select whichever one you prefer, and if you just want to book a flight and pay using your miles, select Book Now under Flights. As you can see, you will be redirected to this page. Make sure this option is selected at the top, Redeem Miles. With this option ticked, you can go ahead and include all of the details about the flight that you want to make, include the departure date, the return date, the number of passengers, and all the other options. Select Search, and as long as the option at the top of the screen was ticked, you will be able to look for your flight and use any miles that you have available. So as you can see, for this one, I can use 55,000 miles and $11. It's the same for the departure. Simply find the flight situation and you will be able to review your trip summary at the end. If this satisfies you, you can go ahead and select Log In and Continue in order to use any available miles that you have. If you wish to explore other options besides flights, simply click Advantage again at the top, Redeem Miles, and look through the other options. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your American Airlines Miles. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.